Hello everyone and welcome to our next video on Simple AI with Python and Color. And what we do today is pretty tricky thing. We'll try to find one image inside another image and even replace it. Okay, let's do this. First we import necessary libraries. This will be Pyplot, Image and OpenCV to work with images and NumPy. Next we load our big image. It is a picture of a small little penguin walking the road on a sunny day. It is roughly 700 by 1000 pixels. It is PNG RGBA, so it is 4-channeled with transparency channel. And the thing to find will be penguin itself. It is same size as in the big picture, 160 by 160 pixels. It is same color, only it has different background. It is white over here and it is blue sky in the picture. Still I'm sure we'll find him. And the thing to do this job is match template. This is a method of OpenCV that builds a heat map, which is simply a 2D array of probabilities where most probably the left upper corner of the bounding box is. And when this is done, we will take the maximum probability, extract its coordinates, and draw a rectangle on the original picture around our penguin using coordinates and width and height of the template. Okay, let's do this. You see, we've detected him pretty well. We've built a 5 pixel width bounding box, a red color, and then if we want to replace it, I have a magic pink penguin from another planet. It is strictly the same size as original template, only different color. And replacing is simply slicing operation. It is brain cracking, but main idea is that I make all the white background of this substituted picture transparent to take blue sky background from the picture, and vice versa. In the picture I make all the body of black and white penguin transparent to take colors from substituted one. Okay, let's do this. You see, it worked pretty well. He was black and now he's pink. Well, you may ask, okay, this is same size penguin, vertical orientation, it's pixel by pixel matching, it's pretty simple. Where is AI over here? What if penguin is rotated or resized? Okay, let's try. I have another picture. Picture 1, there is a smaller penguin, roughly 75% of original size, and it is horizontal, flying somewhere in the sky. And we'll use same template, same penguin from over here. Let's try to find him. You see, it acts similar because match template is acting pretty similar to CNN, to convolutional neural networks. It derives some features, so even if our sub-image is rotated or resized, we are able to detect it. Only if you want to replace, you will have to add additional loop for rotations and additional loop for resizing to find the correct match. Okay, so today we've done a pretty sophisticated thing, and you see that this match template is pretty good in detecting rotated, resized, different background images. So try this one, it is pretty good and pretty nice. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to simpleai.net. See you, bye.